I'm going to tell you exactly where you can stash your cash to get almost a 10% yield. Hi, everyone. I'm Marc Lichtenfeld, Chief Income Strategist with the Oxford Club. Welcome to State of the Market. Not that long ago, interest rates were at rock bottom levels, and it was nearly impossible to earn any income in your safe money, your cash holdings. Rates have moved higher this year, and while most banks haven't kept up, and you're still probably earning next to nothing in your savings account,
and there's no money in here.
there are places where you can earn a halfway decent yield. All of the rates are as of October 12th. The highest rate I could find in a savings account comes from online bank UFB Direct. UFB Direct is paying savers 3.01%, and there's no minimum deposit required. Now, I'm not familiar with UFB Direct. It did get 3.5 stars out of 5 on Bankrate, but as long as it's FDIC insured, you should be fine. In the money market world, the top rate belongs to Merchant Bank of Indiana, which pays 3.05% with a $50 minimum deposit. This account does not offer an ATM or debit card.
Give me your credit card.
My credit card?
Yeah, just give me the card. Don't ask any questions.
Now, if you're like me, you're not going to spend your time chasing yield every month, switching accounts, filling out paperwork to get a few extra tenths of a percentage point.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So most of my cash is kept with my broker. That way it's accessible when I need it for a juicy dividend stock, bond, or option. In the meantime, it'd be nice if it earned something while it's sitting there waiting to be put to use.
I'm ready to go in, Coach. Just give me a chance.
Now, before I reveal which brokerages have the highest yields, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more financial wisdom and witty explanations.
Is there any way you can describe that to me using colorful puppets of some sort?
Okay, back to rates, which vary widely in the banking and brokerage world. The highest I could find was at Schwab, paying an impressive 2.91%. That was followed by Vanguard at 2.79%, E-Trade at 2.75%, Robinhood with a 1.5% rate, Fidelity at 0.82%, and Ameritrade not even pretending to try to compete at 0.3%. Now, if you're okay with tying up your money for just a little while, the best 6-month CD rate is 3.35% with Merrick Bank. You do need a $25,000 deposit. If your last name isn't Bezos, you can go with Banesco with a $1,500 minimum deposit and earn 3.3%. For 1-year CDs, Merrick Bank again comes in at the top at 3.9% with the same $25,000 minimum deposit, or you can earn 3.25% with no minimum at Capital One. But here's a surprise.
I'm from the government and I'm here to help.
President Reagan said those are the 9 most terrifying words, but in this case, he's wrong. Treasury bills are paying more than CDs. A 3-month Treasury pays 3.86%, 6 months pays 4.08%, and a 1-year pays 4.39%. A year ago, the 1-year paid 0.13%. You heard me right, 0.13%. All of those numbers are attractive, but aren't keeping up with inflation. If that's important to you, I have been pounding the table to my Oxford Income Letter readers for a year now to buy the U.S. Treasury Series I bond. These are bonds backed by the full faith of the U.S. government, so it's extremely safe, and the rate resets every 6 months based on inflation. It currently pays, are you ready for this? 9.6%. It will reset in November based on where inflation is at the time, but it's probably not going to be much lower, if at all. Now, a few things to know about the I-bond.
There are a few provisos, a couple of quid pro quos.
Like?
You cannot sell it for 1 year. If you sell between years 1 and 5, you'll lose 3 months interest. Now, not a terribly big deal, considering it's still way more than you'd earn in a CD or other safe account. The maximum purchase is $10,000 per person, and you can only buy it from the U.S. Treasury at treasurydirect.gov. Now, the site is a government website, so it's a bit clunky and doesn't always work as well as it should, but it is worth the hassle in order to earn a very high yield that will shield your savings from inflation. And if you have any other great suggestions on how to safely earn a solid yield on your cash, leave a comment below. And for more income and wealth building tips, check out wealthyretirement.com. It's free and could help you make money.